Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well and fine. So if you have enjoyed learning about Lady Diana's life, legacy and humanitarian, be sure to be subscribed to our channel for more captivating documentaries and biographies. My channel is dedicated to sharing inspiring stories, exploring royal history and examining the lives of fascinating figures. So by subscribing and supporting our channel, you are helping us create more high quality content that informs, educates and inspires. Your loyalty enables us to continue sharing the stories that matter and exploring the complexities of history and shedding light on the triumphs and struggle of iconic figures like Lady Diana. So we love engaging with our audience. Share your thoughts, ask questions and contact with fellow history enthusiasts in the comment sections. Your participation helps build a vibrant community around our content. So don't miss out on our upcoming documentaries, biographies and special features. Subscribe now and become part of our growing community. Every subscription, like, comments and share empowers us to continue creating content that resonates with you. So thank you for being a part of our journey. So my dear subscribers and all my viewers, Lady Diana's childhood was marked by a privilege and loneliness, shaping her empathic nature. Diana's parents, John Spencer and Frances Kane, had a troubled marriage, influencing her views on relationships. She was known for her compassion and kindness, often visiting hospitals and charities. Diana's love for children led her to become a nursery teacher before marrying Charles. Her iconic 1981 engagement interview revealed her innocence, and Diana's fairy tale wedding to Charles, Prince of Wales, captivated the world. However, their marriage was troubled from the start, with Charles' infidelity and emotional distance. Diana struggled with bulimia and depression by the pressures of royal life. The couple's public display of affection masked their private unhappiness. Diana's desperation for love and connection led her to seek solace in friendship and charity work. Diana's compassion for those suffering with HIV/AIDS helped reduce stigma around the diseases. Her iconic landmine removal campaign in Angola highlighted the devastating effects of war. Diana's visit to hospitals and shelters. Her commitment to she broke royal protocol by touching patients with HIV/AIDS, challenging social norms. Diana's kindness and warmth earned her the nickname the People Princess. Diana's struggle with the mental health, including depression and anxiety, were often misunderstood. Her experience with bulimia and self-harm were hidden from the public eye. Diana's desperation for love led her to seek comfort in unhealthy relationships. Her painful divorce from Charles left her feeling isolated and betrayed. Despite her struggles, Diana remained committed to her charitable work and her children. Lady Diana's personal life was marked by both privilege and pain. Her marriage to Charles was troubled, but she maintained her compassion and empathy. Diana's humanity and kindness continue to inspire and influence people worldwide. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends, and join us on a journey through the extraordinary life of Lady Diana, the People Princess. From her childhood to her tragic death, explore Diana's fascinating biography. Discover the untold story of Lady Diana's beyond the glamour and glory. This in-depth documentary reveals the struggles and triumphs of Diana's life. Learn about Lady Diana's remarkable life, from her royal wedding to her philanthropic work. Get an insider's look at Diana's passion and struggles. Explore Lady Diana's enduring legacy from her impact on the royal family to her charitable work. Diana's story continues to inspire and captivate audience worldwide. And remember Lady Diana's 25 years after her passing. This tribute celebrates Diana's life, legacy, and unwavering compassion. Relive Lady Diana's most iconic moments from her wedding dresses to her charity work. A timeless tribute to the People Princess. And delve into the Lady Diana's physiological struggles, including her battles with depression and bulimia. Understand the complexities of Diana's inner world. Examine Lady Diana's fashion evolution from royal protocol to personal style. Diana's influence on fashion remains unparalleled. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I request all of you, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I am going to telling you about my YouTube channel. In my channel you can see here Lady Diana's biography, life history and her humanitarian works. Lady Diana charity work took her to hospitals, hospices and shelters worldwide. She supported organizations aiding HIV/AIDS patients, landmine victims and the homeless. Diana's compassion and empathy earned her respect and admiration of those she helped. Her high-profile involvement raised awareness and funds for countless cases. Lady Diana's charity work took her to hospitals and shelters worldwide. Lady Diana's modernized the monarchy with her approachable nature. She broke royal protocol with public display of affection. Diana's charity work redefined the royal family role. Her relatability increased public interest in monarchy. Diana's influence on William and Harry's charitable work is evident. Lady Diana's battled depression, anxiety, and bulimia. Her struggles with self-esteem and body image were public. Diana found solace in charity work and her children. Her divorce from Charles was a high-publicized struggle. Diana's resilience and determination inspired many. So Lady fashion sense influenced 1918 style. Her iconic wedding dresses remains a culture touchstone. Diana's casual, relaxed style of duty contrasted with the royal protocol. Her love of designers' clothes and accessories helped British fashion. Diana's fashion legacy endured through Kate and Meghan. So my beautiful viewers, I hope you like this video and I will see you in the next video. Take care.